Here we have a logarithmic expression and we have to evaluate this expression. Okay, so in my first step, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the product rule of logarithm. So because here we have addition of logarithms at the same base 5, base 5, base 5. So whenever we add two or more logarithms at the same base, we can take the logarithm once with the base, what we have for all the logarithms, and we have to multiply the arguments. So this is the product rule of logarithms. So I multiply 1 positive 1 over 5 times 1 positive 1 over 6 times it keeps going. At last we'll have 1 positive 1 over 624. Okay, here so this complete product is the argument of the logarithm. Okay, log to the base 5. Okay, let's simplify. I mean, let's add 1 and 1 positive 5. So whenever I add a fraction and an integer, so what I need to do is I have to multiply the integer by the denominator of the fraction. So once I'm done with this multiplication, I can take this 5 as a common denominator. So I'll be getting 5 positive 1 over 5 in this one. In this one, 6 times 1 is 6, 6 positive 1 over 6, and it keeps going. We get 624 times 1 is 624, positive 1 over 624. Okay, let me continue the stuff over here. So log to the base 5. Okay, 5 positive 1 is 6. So we get 6 over 5 times. So here when I simplify this one, I'll be getting 7 over 6. But here third term is not there. But if there is third term, what should it be? It should be 8 over 7. Even we can write the next fraction also. Anyways, let's continue. And the last fraction will be 625 over 624. Okay, so there is no previous fraction for this one. So what should it be? It should be 624 over 623. Even we can write the fraction which comes right before this one. Anyways, here all the fractions are in multiplication. So I can simplify. 6 goes into 6 one time, 6 goes into 6 one times. In this way, I can cancel out 7 and 7 over here. And this 8 will get cancelled with the denominator of the next fraction. So we'll be getting 1 over here. So here 624 will get cancelled. And this 623 will get cancelled with the numerator of the previous fraction. So we can imagine that. So here log to the base 5. Okay, so what do we have in numerator? We have 1, 1, 1. So in all the fractions over here, the numerator will be 1. So I multiply 1, 1, 1. All the ones can be multiplied. Finally, so I multiply the 1 by 625. So the numerator I'm getting is 625. So here when I multiply the denominators 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I'm just getting 5 as denominator. Okay, so 5 goes into 5 one times. 5 goes into 625 125 times. So I am getting log 125 to the base 5. Okay, here 125 is a power of 5, so it can be as 5 to the third power. Okay, here I can use a power rule of logarithm and I can move this exponent 3 in front of the logarithm and it has to be multiplied by the logarithm. So I am getting 3 times log 5 to the base 5. Here in this logarithm, the argument is 5 and the base is 5. In a logarithm, whenever the base and the argument are equal, then the value of such logarithm is 1. So the value of this logarithm is 1. So finally we get 3 times 1 is 3. So the correct answer choice for this question is option B.